The zombie scene at bradsboobarn. I'm gonna hide here in the wall. And there's our actors right there. So we have lighting up here. We have a gunman up there that fires a gun. That's all hooked up to a computer. And here's our entrance. So let's see if we can scare anybody. Oh, and right over here we have this zombie, another guy who comes through here with the chainsaw.
Have any of you been bitten in the last 24 hours? You've been bit?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna have to quarantine you. It's safe in here. Yeah. Food, water, shelter.
What? Hey, I was bitten, dude. I was bitten. I was bitten,
I don't think you make it on The Walking Dead.
I was bitten it.
This drug faster than the slowest person.
In the last 24 hours.
Oh, jeez. Okay, that's a little frightening.
Let's squeeze them in, guys. Come in, come in.
Right? Oh, God.
Trust them.
No, it's happening again! They've got inside! They've got inside! Run, hurry! I got your back! I got your back! Run! Hurry, go!
In the last 24 hours. Yes.
Thank you.
Food! Water! Yeah, we got it! We got it! Go! I got your back! Go! Oh no, I'm out of ammo! Run! Run! Stop! Stop!
We're gonna be in the last 24 hours. No, I don't think he has. Come on, let us quarantine you.
Hurry! Hurry!
No!